Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing so good. Today in this video we are going to learn about a new sound, and the new sound is W sound. The new sound is W sound. And the formation rhyme of W sound is W is like a zigzag. W is like a zigzag. Moving on to learn the vocabularies from W sound. Would you repeat after me? Let's get started. W watch, W watch, W wave, W wave, W walk, W walk, W window, W window, W water, W water, W well, W well, W web, W web, W wagon, W wagon, W watermelon, W watermelon, W worms, W worms, W wings, W wings, W wheels, W wheels, W whale, W whale. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do practice of writing W sound and don't forget to learn the vocabularies from W sound. Take care. Allah Hafiz.